Welcome back, compadres. It's been 3 long years since them boys headed across the border down to Mako. Rumor has it, they gone lost their way. My days of working for the law are over. Now I'm running the sweet stuff for my new boss. He's got a job for these boys. Well, I'm headed down to catch the tail end of what could only be described as the dictionary definition of a shit show. It's worse than I thought. When them boys fled south, they left as legends. Seems they rode that wagon till the wheels fell off and plopped down doing stunt shows for crowds of one. And my first task is to see what these boys still got.
Nice blanket. We'll see you boys meet me out on the track. I'll show you how to get your balls back. Playing in the dirt. It's dirty. Let's rock and roll.
Session lasted about as long as a chihuahua humping a buffalo.
I told you, I need a gas, but no, you had to see the donkey show. Yeah, straight.
Next job, set these two straight.
You guys suck now. I got a solution for you. Take that to my boss, and I guarantee you'll find your balls.
Keister it. I'm full.
There are 2 things I learned in all my years of tracking these boys. Number 1, they never say no to anything. 2, if brains were leather, they wouldn't have enough to saddle a June bug. Took them all of 15 minutes to run out of fuel and get lost in the desert. Luckily, the boss sent them a shepherd to help them find their way to the pasture.
Hello there, ladies. You heard of Uber? I'm the Mexican version. You fellas need a ride? Oh! You mulin'?
A little bit.
Got a little cargo?
Yeah.
You keystering any? I'm gonna need you in the back if you're keystering. Let's roll! Guys, good back there! Slow down! Good. Guys, there's this spotted owl out the left side. I don't know if you're getting this. Keep telling them every time I see a government official, I say, guys, we gotta pave the roads. If you don't have the nice roads, you're not gonna get the BMWs down here. You don't have the BMWs, you can get that Saudi money to buy. You guys getting all this?
Next stop, Magic City. There's a sweet surprise waiting for him. Welcome to Miami, brochachos.
Motorcycles! Turbos! Yes! I'm sweating, dude.
They've entered phase 2 of my boss's plan. They took right to those bikes, even if they have no clue where they're going. Well, that right there is my boss's little friend. She's gonna help him break in their new bikes real good like. Turns out they got that message. And this here's my boss's house. He lives here alone with his sister Natasha. Keeps a low profile and says that his extreme good looks shouldn't mix with common men. Whatever.
I would like to have my package now, thanks.
Some folks says we look alike. I don't see it. He's one hell of an odd fellow. Conversations with him are normally awkward, has a hankering for sweets.
Riva spectacular? The f does that even mean? Disappointing. Natasha, she makes the best handcakes. Now we drift.
Apparently these boys were huge in Russia. Drifters that couldn't be beaten. Every Russian drifter dreamed of beating them.
Made a skid.
Then word got out about their sideshow.
In Russia we drift like men. 1500 horsepower. Rear-wheel drive. No tube chassis fake cars with all-wheel drive to make things easy. You guys look really nice today. Natasha's going to make a pretty sweet video of this, I think. Let's make this happen, huh? We go. I crush you. No big deal.
He did all this to bring him up so he could beat him down and become a hero in Russia. I don't really understand it, nor would I try to.
Doing wheelies! Why are they doing wheelies? Finally, these guys are riding like men. Let them come in hot. Let them hit the e-brake. Oh, come on, are you kidding me?
Looks like somebody's wheel fell off all mysterious like. He didn't beat him, but they sure did get their bowls back.
Bitch titty! Oh, hey, Natasha. Thank you. Look in my other car.
Oh my god. Flashing stars.
What you saying? I got something on my face? Did I get it? Come on, guy.